Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on today. Today's a special day. I got help. I got my boy down here. That's good. He went out. I guess he wants to be part of the future business of the family. Guys, remember I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture is not enough for them and they like sound. I'm also going to do the video in Spanish at the end. También lo voy a hacer en español al final, ¿ok? Empezamos. Alright guys, speedy cut. It says a speedy cut diamond product. I don't know exactly what it is, but if you go here, it says it's SC7314. I guess that's the model we're looking. Okay. Alright guys. Now, remember guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. It's not to be fixed. It's for parts. Okay. Let me first show you everything little by little. Remember, I take everything apart like that. I can show you the inside, the piston. I'm going to put everything back and throw pictures in case you're new in my store. That's the way I do it all the time. Okay. Don't get scared. I'm not a crazy guy. Okay.
Something crazy.
Remember, everything is dirty. You need to do a little cleanup. Alright. Okay. Now, let me show you the clutch. The springs looks good. It's just a little dirty, but I think it's fine. You clean them a little, it's going to be perfect. Okay. Let me close a little bit here like that. You can see better. I took the spark plug like that. We can see from the inside. Okay, a little bit, and we're gonna do it from the muffler that I took also apart. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put the machine up now. Okay. All right, let me grab the. I'm doing it with one hand. Let me see if I can stop there. Okay, right there. Let me open a little more. I think I forgot to put the light. I think so. I'm not sure. Let me see. Oh yeah, the light's on. Alright, cool. Alright, you can see inside there. Let me move again the piston a little bit. Guys, I'm trying to be the fairest that I can, okay? Remember, I said for parts. For parts, not to repair. For parts. Parts. Alright, you got it there? Alright, let me close this. Alright, let me put it down. I already took this inside here and I throw some good pictures. Like that you can see the coil and everything. The coil maybe needs to be a little cleaned up, but when I did the spark plug, I was getting some spots, okay? I'm gonna try to start a little bit, but since we got help today, my help can start doing the video for me. Go over there. Alright? No me saque la cara. Alright guys, I'm gonna do it first without the spark plug, like that you can listen to the sound. Now, I'm going to put it close. A second, like that you can see the piston.
Está moviendo.
Alright, you got it? Okay, we're going to do a test now with a spark plug to see what's up. Alright, pulling over here, boss. Oh, it's up. My bad. Alright. It looks like it doesn't want to start. I was going to throw some gasoline. Like that, maybe we can get a little spot. Like I always do. Let's see what happens, alright? Alright, let's go. Alright. Well guys, you got it there. He doesn't want to start. Woo! This machine always take my breath away. Oh, I love it. The exercise. Oh, you see, it wastes too much gas inside. I'm not gonna waste my time. But I sell for parts anyway. I know the coil works, handle works, flywheel works. I did the best I can. I'm gonna throw better pictures. Alright guys, any questions? You know I'm here. Okay, thank you. Hola mi gente, así me filmando ahí en español. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Hoy tengo ayuda especial, tengo al niño mío aquí ayudándome. Así que hoy es un día bonito. Tengo un speedy cut y el diamond, ahí la vieron. Podía haberla arrancado, podía haber tratado, pero no tengo la fuerza ya a esta hora. Tengo que ir a trabajar hoy, estoy cansado ya. Ya ahí vieron, ya sintieron más o menos como sube y baja. Ya ahí vieron el pistón. Le tiré buenas pinchos a todos, ahí tienen el cloche. Todas las partes, recuérdense que si usted es nuevo en mi tienda, que yo pongo todo para atrás, yo lo desarmo para que así pueda ver todo, porque me gusta ser sincero. Lo mismo con todas las piezas. Ahí viene todo, señala la correa y papi, el filter. El filter este es inventado, eso lo picaron. Pero bueno, no importa, sigue siendo un buen filtro, un steel. Se acepta. Y la tapa, que lo voy a poner todo para atrás, ¿ok? Bueno, cualquier preguntito o algo, aquí estamos mi gente. Si les gusta lo que estoy haciendo, suscríbanse a mi canal o aprietan un like. En las fotos van a ver un poquito más, ¿ok? Bueno, gracias y que se una la raza.